98 lakh this year, Reshma. Last year also he has done close to 1 crore in NRI business. I'm not recalling the exact number, but close to 1 crore also he has done last year also. So year on year, I think he is doing COT business only through NRI. I think last year, I'm just seeing the numbers now. He has done 4 policies last year, Reshma, Jan 24 to December 24, and he has done 99 lakh 61,000 of WFIP. Can you believe, friend? Last 2 years continuously, approximately 1 crore of business from NRI. This is opportunity.
फैंटास्टिक अजीत जी। अजीत जी एक बात बताइए, आप कितनी कॉल्स फेस टू फेस कर लेते हैं एनआरआई में, तो कितनी क्लोज कर पाते हैं? तो एक महीने में, चलो एग्जांपल लेते, किसी आपकी 5 महीने में से बेस्ट महीना कौन सा था एनआरआई के लिए?
मैडम ऐसा कुछ नहीं रहता, क्योंकि कॉल मेरा तो कॉल है, ऐसा कुछ कॉल करना है इसके लिए ऐसा नहीं रहता है कॉल।
ओके,
तो ऐसे ही कभी हफ्ते महीना भर में कभी अरे बहुत दिन से बात नहीं की, इसलिए बात करनी है, इधर का उधर का बात ये हो गया, बस रख दिया फोन। कुछ भी बात नहीं होगी, बिजनेस के बारे में कुछ भी बात नहीं होगी। फिर 2 दिन के बाद में फोन करके, अरे ऐसा था लास्ट में, एक्चुअली हमारी बातों में मैं बोलना ही भूल गया, लेकिन एक्चुअली ऐसा अपॉर्चुनिटी है, वो याद दिलाने के लिए मैंने आपको फोन किया।
Bharumati ji, I will translate everything. Just allow me a minute. So what Ajit ji is saying, he says whoever he knows, abroad, first he touches base with them. He will talk to them. Hi, hello, how are you? How are things? No talk of business. He's only doing relationship building first. And then after some time, maybe after a week or so, he again will call and he'll say, hey, I wanted to share with you this great opportunity, This is how it is, and I thought I'll share it with you. And that's how his call starts. अजीत जी, आपका कन्वर्जन रेट क्या होगा? कितने लोगों को आप टच बेस करते होंगे, तो कितने लोग आपसे खरीदते होंगे?
2:1
माय गॉड,
और मैक्सिमम 2.5.
ओके ओके, ठीक है। So he's saying he contacts 2 people or maximum 2.5. He's saying, so let's say
5 people, 2 people, yeah.
So he contacts 5 people. He's contacting 5 people for NRI, and his style is different. He's not straight away calling and talking about business. His style is, he first calls up, says hi, hello, exchanges pleasantries, and then talks to people about कैसे चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है, हाल चाल पूछ लिया, ये कर लिया. Then after a week's time, once again follow up with the customer and then say, Smena, this is how a business, this opportunity is there, investment opportunity. I have helped many of my NRI prospects. I thought I will tell you also. तो इस तरीके से वो एक वार्तालाप चालू करते हैं. He starts a dialogue like this, which he's saying thankfully it materializes for him because he's calling them up, being in touch with them, etc. Ajit ji, आपको references मिल जाते हैं NRI business से? Do you get references from your NRI customers?
हाँ, रेफरेंस तो मिल जाते हैं, पूछना तो पड़ता ही है, क्योंकि उनको तो ये पूछना पड़ता है कि जो मैंने बोला वो डू यू थिंक इट इज गुड फॉर यू. अगर उसने हाँ बोला तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, और किसी को अगर मुझे बताना है तो आप क्या सोचेंगे आपके फ्रेंड्स के बारे में, किसका नंबर मुझे दे दो, और उनको बोलो कि मैं ये फोन करने वाला हूँ आपको. दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. Otherwise, totally unknown person, he will never ever deal with you. Totally 100% cold call, I don't think possible है.
Okay.
स्पेशली अभी हम लोग इतने स्कैम्स और ये वो जो देखते हैं, तो nobody entertains here, nobody entertains.
Correct.
आपका रेफरेंस जरूरी रहता है.
Got it. So Ajit is saying
yeah.
So let me just translate, because some of our South Indian friends, they are really interested in knowing how you do it. So Ajit ji is saying that when I sell to a customer, I ask them, did you like my service? Did you like what I sold you? Are you happy about what you bought from me? If he says, yeah, I'm good with what you have given to me, then he takes references from them, and he's saying he doesn't do any cold call in NRI segment. All the names are referred by somebody of the other. So कोई ना कोई एक बंदा होगा जिसने या तो नाम दिया होगा या वो खुद ही अपने जानकार से बात कर रहे होंगे. He will talk to somebody he knows, or he will talk to somebody who has referred him to another person known to that particular person who's already bought from Ajit ji. So I think this
either
is
either bought from, or at least I had a talk with him. He knows me.
Fantastic. So
Yeah.
Ajit
And he
ji,
also, sir also makes the person who's giving the reference to give them a call and give his introduction that such and such a person from India, Mr. Ajit Gokhale, is going to call you in a couple of days. That is the most important
Yes.
point what we said.
Yes.
fantastic,
That's
fantastic.
yeah.
Vishal, any other points you think is necessary for us to highlight to the group so that they understand कि हम क्या करते हैं Ajit Gokhale जी के केस में? या Veena, please go ahead, Veena. Feel free to add. Vishal, Veena, please go ahead.
And sir has actually narrated what he does in real life. He at first contacts them, exchanges pleasantries, builds a good relationship with them. After a week, he will again give them a call or an email saying that such and such an opportunity is there in India currently, and I think you are the person who can make the most out of it and take the benefit. And then he starts the call. And then Amol sir, Ajit, and Shweta take over the call and they do the call together, ma'am.
So अजीत जी ये बताइए अजीत जी कितनी पॉलिसीज हमने की है अब तक?
मैडम एक्चुअली मोस्ट सर एंड श्वेता मैडम, अगर वो नहीं है तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
सही बात है.
They are the real pillars of this business. Most important.
अजीत भाई ये बताइए आपने कितनी पॉलिसीज की है अब तक?
कितनी पॉलिसीज की है? अरे बाप रे.
एनआरआई की बताना अजीत जी, एनआरआई की बताना.
एनआरआई की अराउंड 29-30.
क्या बात है, फैंटास्टिक.
ओके एंड
मुझे आपके नजर आ रही है.
वन मोर थिंग बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट हिम, ये 29 पॉलिसीज में से आपने कौन सा प्लान सबसे ज्यादा बेचा है अजीत भाई?
I started with SAP.
So your out of 20 policies, out of 20 policies, your major policies are traditional, right?
Maximum तो swag है अपना.
Right.
Insta income. Yes.
And do you face any objection Insta income में when, because what I understand is आपके majority of clients are from US.
US and UAE.
Yes. So UAE तो Insta income चल ही जाता है. Do you get any objection in swag in US? Because I think it's a very important question for most of our people over here. आपको ऐसा कभी ऑब्जेक्शन आया है क्या अजीत भाई, और आया है तो आप कैसे हैंडल?
आता है, अभी भी आता है. इट इज अबाउट द एक्सचेंज रेट. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इज एक्सचेंज रेट. लेकिन एक्सचेंज रेट का अभी इतना ज्यादा नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं खुद बोलता हूँ ये कि वेल अभी तक तो एक्सचेंज रेट का प्रॉब्लम था, लेकिन लुकिंग एट द अमेरिकन इकोनॉमी, डू यू रियली फील दैट dollar is going to stay that much strong?
Right.
Yeah, and most of them say no, it's not going to stay that strong.
Right.
Nobody officially will accept it, but unofficially everybody says. और उसमें फिर ये सबसे बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी कि अगर ऐसा है, anyway in insurance you are going to invest at least for 5, 6, 7 years, 10 years. अगर आप आज 87 के हिसाब से अगर मुझे कहते हो पैसा, तो 5 साल 10 साल के बाद में आपको अगर 70 के हिसाब से मिलेगा, तो no need for our company to give you any return. Just in exchange rate only you will earn so much from 87 to 70.
अगर कम हो गया तो राइट, 100% राइट.
हाँ, और ये होगा, ये अनऑफिशियली सब लोग बोलते हैं, ऑफिशियली नोबडी इज सेइंग दैट. लेकिन अभी जो मेरी बातें चल रही है वो यही पॉइंट पे चल रही है, एंड होपफुली विद इन अ मंथ और कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा. यस.
तो गुड लक इस साल टीओटी करने के लिए. गुड लक अजीत भाई आपको.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You doing your TOT this year through the NRI business.
Sure.
Thank you. So
Okay,
I mean,
thank you.
see, we saw 2 of our great colleagues who have done COT, and the second colleague Ajit Gokhale ji, who is absolutely ready to fire, big time this year. He's not worried about the US 3.5% आउटवर्ड रेमिटेंस टैक्स, बिकॉज ही नोस कि यहाँ से नहीं होगा तो कहीं और से कर लेंगे, अमेरिकन सिटीजन ढूंढ लेंगे. देखो जहाँ चाह वहाँ रहा. When there is a will, there is a way. And if we do not want to do anything, जैसे दिल्ली में भी बहुत गर्मी पड़ रही है, it's very hot. So if I don't want to exercise on a second Saturday, I will say it's very hot. And if I want to exercise, what I will do? I will go and take a membership by giving 2,000 rupees per month, and I will say I will go walk on the treadmill in the AC. It depends on whether I want to exercise or not. I either take an excuse. It's 45 degrees in Delhi. 45 degrees. You stand outside for 5 minutes, you'll get burned. So if you don't want to exercise, also it's very hard. If you want to exercise, you will say, let me go buy gym membership and exercise for 30-40 minutes. It's up to you. Is there an outward remittance tax? Is this a very big hurdle? If the answer is yes, then please move to GCC countries. Move to the other countries. Move to US American citizens. My only thing to all of you is, एक या दो पिचेस समझना. दर्शन एक कोई बढ़िया पिच सिखा दो आज सबको एनआरआई में, to any country, maybe to GCC country. Why should somebody buy from a GCC country? What are the rates in GCC country in their, in their share market, in their stock market? What is the best interest rate GCC country is offering? तो आप GCC country के बारे में सिखाइए आज हम सबको दर्शन. Take 15 minutes and tell all of us why should somebody buy who's sitting in the Gulf country from India, so that all of you, अभी in next 1 week, if you open these calls, and let me assure you, from GCC countries, you can do sales calls on Zoom platform, on digital platforms, even on a weekday, Monday to Friday. Also, you can do. They will give you time, 30 minutes. They will give you time. आप पूछिए तो सही. वो कहते ना आप, if you ask, you will get. If you don't ask, you will not get. You have to use your mind. Use your mind. Ask the customers for time. उसको मना करने का उसका हक है. आप उसका हक, आप क्यों उसके लिए सोच रहे हो कि मना कर देगा, आज मंगलवार है, आज ट्यूसडे है, he's going to say no. Don't think for him. You say, I will approach him. He may say, not Tuesday, Reshma, let's meet on Saturday. Done. Your one appointment of Saturday is fixed. So start even from today, start from Monday, no problem. Starting is important. Ask for time. पहले हालचाल पूछो, जैसे अजित गोखले जी कर रहे हैं. हालचाल पूछो, how are you doing? I'd like to, just be in touch with you. I just thought it's been a long time since I spoke to you. Hope all well. Has Dubai gotten very, very hot? And even India has become very hot. So when are you expecting rains, etc.? How's everyone in the family? And put the phone down. After 1 week, hey, I wanted to tell you about this great investment opportunity. Many of my NRI prospects have benefited from this. I thought, let me also, since I spoke to you last week, मुझे याद आया कि आप दुबई में हो, this will benefit you also. तो ऐसे करके you can start your discussion. Darshan, why don't you teach all of us what is it that we should be saying to a person living in GCC countries?
Sure, Reshma. Sure. So I will share this slide, couple of slides. Before that, I just gathered one data on US. जो NRI का रेमिटेंस टैक्स की बात हुई, तो इट विल नॉट इम्पैक्ट फ्रेंड्स. जो रेमिटेंस टैक्स की हम बात कर रहे हैं, आई विल जस्ट शोकेस यू हियर, जो मैंने स्लाइड गैदर की है. So Reshma, this is a MEA, Ministry of External Affairs data, जिसमें लिखा गया है कि 44 लाख NRIs टोटल रहते हैं, NRIs OCIs US में. दिस इज पर्टिकुलरली फॉर US. आउट ऑफ दिस ओनली 29% NRI है, बाकी सारे वहां के सिटीजनशिप उनको मिल चुकी है. दिस इज द डेटा, 31,80,000. So they were not going to impacted by this remittance tax of 3.5%. Only 12,80,000 NRI जो है, जो वीजा पे है, H1 वीजा पे है, स्टूडेंट वीजा पे है, वही इम्पैक्ट होंगे. So that's the first part, right? So no need to worry much on this remittance tax. Coming back to GCC countries, so what I will do is I will share a couple of slides, particularly for GCC countries. So what are our enablers, particularly in GCC countries. So let me put up those slides, particularly for GCC countries, because यहाँ से हमारा 50% business आ रहा है. The entire major chunk of business coming from these countries, and that's the only reason we have opened this representative office of our Axis Max Life, which is there in UAE, Dubai. So to cater to these NRIs, we have representative office present in Dubai. You can get the address from the website. It is available. It is a servicing office. Talking about GCC countries, so friend, these are the 6 countries. You know, if you see some of the news articles, it says 66% of NRIs live in GCC Gulf countries only, out of total NRIs. 66% of population, can you imagine, lives only in these Gulf countries. That's the major reason of getting this higher business. So which are these GCC countries you should target? UAE, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, Oman. What are the points which we are saying special for these countries? First is a higher return. How are we saying higher return? So this is the population of, before that, this is the population spread in these 6 countries. You can see UAE is the highest population, followed by Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain. So why we are saying higher return? So just wanted to show this slide. You can see this is the interest rate you will get in GCC countries. This is 1.35% to 2.5% you will get across the GCC countries. And we all know we are offering 6.5% interest rate today. Plus, with our non-par products, we can offer the benefits such as return with life cover. Our non-par product, known for the guarantee, we give everything mentioned in guaranteed in bond, policy bond in black and white. You will get the illustration attached also in your policy bond where it will say you will receive, let's say, 5 crore 29 lakh 30,000. So exactly same amount you will receive, not even 1 rupee more, 1 rupee less. There is no reinvestment risk. You know, when many NRIs consider investing in NREFD, but the biggest risk of NREFD is the reinvestment risk. Recently, we saw last week RBI repo rate has came down by 50 basis points. What about next year's NREFD? This year I am an NRI, I have done saving this year, I have done NREFD. What about next year? Will I get the same interest rate? A salaried person doesn't have a lump sum amount to lock in today. They will invest every year. You have to approach them. Just tell them this story that, sir, today you will invest in NRE, you will get maybe 6.5% rate. What about next year? What about after 5 years? Will you get the same rate? Sir, I am giving you the opportunity to lock in this rate, which will not be available tomorrow. For next, not only for next 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, but up to 40 years, you can lock in this rate along with life cover, along with the flexibility of the policy. You can get money whenever you want. You have the flexibility. We can decide the plan. We have the products like Smart Vibe, where money can start immediately. Next year, you can choose the deferment. So all the flexibility is there. And especially for these GCC countries, there is no taxation impact. Why we are saying no taxation impact? Because India, up to 5 lakh, there is no tax. And in UAE, there is no personal income tax exist. Even in other GCC countries, there is no personal income tax exist. So no tax implication applicable for GCC countries. Even the premium is higher than 5 lakh rupees per PAN. We can still make that maturity tax free with the use of double tax avoidance agreement, by obtaining the tax residency certificate. Only those big ticket size cases, only this exercise needs to be done. Most of your cases will go tax free because premium will be up to 5 lakh rupees. Or even if you go, even if you want to go to 10 lakh rupees, you can split it between the 2 PAN numbers. Husband 5 lakh, wife PAN 5 lakh. So 10 lakh rupees easily you can collect from any family who are in GCC countries without any tax implication. If you want to collect more, yes, we can guide you how to get that maturity also tax free through a double tax avoidance agreement and through obtaining tax residency certificate. You can contact us. I will explain in detail, but most of your cases, I would say 90% of your cases will fall below 10 lakh. So you don't have to worry about this tax, how to get this tax benefit of using double tax avoidance agreement, because by default it will be tax free. 1010D में tax free हो जाएगा, and UAE में and GCC countries में personal income tax नहीं है. So tax का problem it is solved. You get higher interest rate along with other features. There is no taxation, and the major objection which Ajit ji also mentioned, currency fluctuation will also not be impacted for GCC countries. Why? Why I am saying this currency fluctuation will not impact for NRIs of GCC countries? The simple reason is most of the NRIs who are in GCC countries, approx 90% of them will come back to India post retirement. That's the reason when they will use and spend this money in India, the currency fluctuation will not be applicable. In GCC countries, you know, there is no rule like in US or UK you get a citizenship, but in GCC countries there is a still kingdom system, and only Arabs, they will get the citizenship. The other NRIs don't get the citizenship. That's the reason 80-90% of NRIs who post retirement will come back to India. The weather is also extreme, and also the cost of living will be also more high. Post retirement, they want to peacefully settle in India. That's the reason we see 80-90% people will come back to India. So currency fluctuation objection also will get solved for these GCC countries. So no taxation, no currency fluctuation, higher returns in guaranteed, higher return in equity also. If you want to give equity returns, we have a chart I can show you here. You can see the equity returns also you will get high. This is a chart comparison of different countries' equity returns. You can see on the top, BSE Sensex has given 14% plus return in past 20 years. However, you can see the highlighted section here of ADX General Index, which is in UAE, which has delivered only 4.66% of CAGR in past 20 years. So again, there is no lucrative equity returns available over there. They have to come back to India. They have to send money to India to get the higher equity returns. And with our ULIP products, again the features are mentioned on the right side. We can offer higher returns by participating in equity market. They can choose high growth funds of ours, which has delivered 12 to 15% return since inception. They will get return along with life cover, flexibility to choose policy term. We have lower fund management charges as compared to ULIP. Unlimited fund switches options also there. So a lot of benefits to offer to NRIs. In under ULIP, even if they don't want to go in guarantee, you can still offer them a ULIP product. Like Meghna has offered ULIP, Star ULIP product. So under guaranteed segment, I explained we are better. I just shown this slide. We are offering better return. Under equity, yes, through ULIP we are offering better return. Taxation, no problem, no taxation applicable. Currency fluctuation not applicable. So the best market to go for NRI prospecting. Highest population of NRI, 66% of NRI staying there. We have a representative office present. Plus, we have the medical facilities available for especially these 6 countries. I will just show this slide where you can see only for these GCC countries we have a free of cost medical facilities. You can this slide, these 6 GCC countries which are I am mentioning from earlier slide, UAE, Kuwait, Qatar, Oman, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, we have got no limit of capping of premium or sum assured to get the medicals done of your NRIs staying in these countries. Irrespective of the premium or sum assured, you will get medical will be arranged by Max Life DC in these countries. For non-GCC countries, yes, there is a limit, capping, and only reimbursement mode is available. Booking will not be done. But look at the GCC countries today, since I am talking about GCC countries, the benefit is there that you can get free of cost medical. No single penny needs to be paid. तो अगर मैं इसको सिंपल तरीके से कहूँ तो जैसे हम इंडिया में मेडिकल करते हैं, पुनीत जी, जैसे हम इंडिया में मेडिकल करते हैं, सेम वे यहाँ पर भी मेडिकल होगा. आपको बताना होगा कि ये टाइम पे मेडिकल बुकिंग चाहिए, कस्टमर के कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से बुकिंग होगी. कस्टमर डोंट हैव टू पे एनी अमाउंट ऑफ मेडिकल बुकिंग चार्जेस इवन दो वहां पर मेडिकल कंडक्ट हो रहा है, ओनली फॉर दिस जीसीसी कंट्रीज. 6 जीसीसी कंट्रीज मेंशन हियर. राइट, बाय द वे आई एम हैविंग सेड दिस, मैं बता रहा हूँ मेडिकल वहां पे करना पड़ेगा फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, बट आई वुड से 70-80% टाइम मेडिकल की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. Why I am saying this is because we have introduced the jumbo grid back again in the month of June. Everyone knows about this. I am just sharing with you the jumbo grid which is available, which was available in the month of March. Now again it is available in the month of June. You can see the higher video MAR limits. So
are you trying to tell me, Darshan, if somebody is between 50 So are you trying to tell on the call, it's blur, ठीक है. So now we are saying that anyone who's in the age group of 51 to 60, revised non-medical limit, for the month of June is 4 crore, which means if I am 55 years of age and if I am buying a policy, let's say, I am 50 years of age, I am buying a ULIP policy, then I can give premium up to 40 lakh and
ये 5 करोड़ होगा, ये वाला लिमिट है जून के लिए, ये वाला है एक्सटेंडेड वाला, ये वाला.
ओके ठीक है, आई अंडरस्टूड. सो उसको ना हाईलाइट भी कर दो आप, उसको हाईलाइट कर दो कि भाई ये इतना है और ये इतना है. ऐसे हाईलाइट करोगे ना तो थोड़ा लोगों को समझ में आएगा. सो यू आर सेइंग 50 लाख हुआ ना, तो और भी अच्छा है. वी आर सेइंग अप टू 50 लाख ऑफ प्रीमियम. इफ लेट्स से इफ आई एम सेलिंग अ यूलिप, then up to 50 lakh of premium, is non-medical because it is only 5 crore. ये हम कह रहे वीडियो MER लिमिट applicable,
वीडियो MER लिमिट.
Okay, so up to 40 lakh is without even video MER, is it?
So it is not medical, not required, but video MER will be done. Video MER will be done.
Perfect. So video MER with 50 up to 50 lakh of premium will be absolutely okay. 50 lakh of premium.
Yes. Non-term products will be covered under this.
Non-term, non-term. That's why I took an example of ULIP or maybe a swag policy.
Yeah.
And between 18 to 40, तो हम 1.5 crore तक, let's say a ULIP policy or swag etc. 10 times का अगर आप दे रहे हो, so almost 1 crore to 1.5 crore is non-medical. Isn't this great, friends? Isn't this great that you have such a high non-medical grade, that you can go for, and तुम्हारे NRI कस्टमर को नहीं करनी है कोई भी मेडिकल टेस्ट, कोई मेडिकल की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. सिर्फ वीडियो MER पे कस्टमर को फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे जब समय होगा तो वो वीडियो अपनी MER बुक करवा सकते हो आप, और उस समय वो करेगा 5 मिनट 10 मिनट 15 मिनट 20 मिनट जितना भी समय लगता है. So my request to all of you, please इसको अनदेखा मत करिए. Either you should open NRI calls, or you should say I'm not going to do NRI at all. If you say I'm not going to do NRI at all, तो कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएंगे, चैप्टर खत्म. But if you say I want to do NRI, I have inclination of doing NRI, the company is enabling all of us. Company is enabling all of us, saying 18 to 40 की एज में 15 करोड़ non-medical. This is a very big enablement by the underwriting team, Dr. Porosan team. My request to all of you, इसको पहचानिए please. Please इसको पहचानिए. ये बड़ा एक enablement दिया है हमें जून के महीने में कंपनी ने, and you should make use of this completely. Okay, thanks, Darshan. You can remove this.
Not only that, Reshma and everyone.
Go ahead.
Even for protection plan, Reshma, we have come up with a never before limit of 5 crore sum assured on video MER.
For NRIs.
Only month of June. Yes, this is only for NRIs and OCIs. Obviously, there are conditions of age restriction is there, but I think 70% of population will get covered despite these restrictions. So I will explain this slide, what is the limit, but just imagine 5 crore of sum assured of protection, which is on video MER. No single medical is required. This is first of a kind. We never had such a higher limit of 5 crore. We always used to have a 3 crore till now. But This is applicable for the month of June. Not sure whether it will be continued or not, but June month के लिए up to 5 crore of protection plan, yes, you can give on video MER. The conditions are age must be between 18 to 45, salaried profile only, graduate या उससे ज्यादा का एजुकेशन होना चाहिए, 35 लाख एंड अबव एनुअल इनकम होना चाहिए, स्टैंडर्ड कंट्री, no previous health problems, BMI should be less than 32, less than equal to 32, and no previous medical history होना चाहिए. So I think salaried profiles with less than 45 age we can cater, we can tap through this, because graduation होता ही है, 35 plus lakh plus income होती है usually. So salaried profile you can cater to this higher non-medical limit, higher video MER limit. Video MER will be done, but physical test will not be required. Up to 5 crore of sum assured in protection as well. Isn't it great, friends? चैट में आप लिख सकते हो. What do you think? Residents को लिए भी रेशमा हमारी 1 करोड़ की लिमिट है, and we are offering 5x of that limit.
Right.
So is saying yes, great.
तो कुछ लोगों को ना अनम्यूट करो, पूछो कि भाई अब आप करोगे एनआरआई के, हम क्या करें? मतलब मैं सरकास्टिकली नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मैं प्यार से पूछ रही हूँ, हम ऐसा क्या करें? What should Darshan and I do? Please tell me. We are certainly doing something wrong. Darshan and I, we are certainly doing something wrong. That agency has not grown in NRI business in April, May and June. We have not grown. However, let me confirm to you, all our other bank relationships, our DSF channel, जो आपके टर्मिनेटेड एडवाइजर्स है या जो एडवाइजर छोड़ के जाते हैं, ऑर्फन डेटाबेस कैट हो जाता है, DSF is capped. They are growing by 50%, 60% in April and May and June. Why has the agency stopped doing NRI business? So something, Darshan, you are doing wrong in NRI, and something I am doing wrong as well. So what is it that we should be doing? पुनीत बापना जी, हमें बताइए क्या गलत कर रहे हैं मैं और दर्शन कि हम एजेंसी का NRI बिजनेस नहीं ग्रो कर पा रहे इस साल. पिछले साल we grew it beautifully with the help of each one of you. We grew by 25%. Wonderful work done by everyone. But this year क्या हो गया? क्या सब सुन गया हम सबको कि हम NRI बिजनेस करना बंद कर दिए. So I want to understand कि हम क्या गलती कर रहे हैं, पहले ये बताइए कि दर्शकों क्या गलती कर रहे हैं.
In Reshma ma'am, it's not your issue. It's like in my case, I've been sleeping for 2 years and out of the system. In fact, I did my first 2 MDRT with only NRI. Now already it's a wake-up call. Mr. Darshan also spoke to me 10 days back, and he has given me a bit solid of injection. Why are you not waking up? So yes, it's there. Majority lies with our individual demotivation. Yes, we have been in a sleeping mode, but yes, with all these sessions, the people will wake up. And secondly, one more thing which I feel the majority of advisors might be worried is the global scenario is so complicated nowadays. They are having a fear, will you get the business or not? But I would like to add few points, just supplementing the points of our esteemed speakers we had there.
Yeah.
The first thing is 3.5% tax, which is purely a myth. First point, will it be passed in Senate or not? Is this yet to pass from Senate? Secondly, will it be applicable from 4th July or in 2026? Or thirdly, will it be implemented as like in the immigrant policy? There are huge of things going on in New York and entire US. Ganga ho raha hai itna. I have my own doubts. Will it be implemented or not? It's $1 million question. At least till December we have time. It's not going to be implemented on 4th of July. For sure, अभी सीनेट में पास नहीं हुआ सर, अभी तो कांग्रेस में पास हुआ, सीनेट में पास होना बाकी है. The other big confusion I think what majority advisors has is the fluctuation. You find a very good study sir with your own chart. सर आपने जो चार्ट भेजा 20 साल का, उसमें हमारा 2.73% का fluctuation, which came down to 2.45% CAGR last year, and that was also because in 2011 there was a major drop of INR by 12%. अगर उसको हटा दें तो इनफैक्ट डॉलर हैज नॉट अप्रिशिएटेड अगर इन्फ्लेशन को ले लेंगे तो. एंड देयर इज अ रिपोर्ट बाय गोल्डमैन सैक्स लास्ट वीक is the dollar, it is very alarming. The dollar will depreciate by 6% till 2030.
Oh,
Dollar and December 23 में it was 83. It is 86 yesterday, but it went up to 84 point something a month back. So if you see कि वो 2.5% भी नहीं sir, it is coming to 1.8% only. काफी जो CAGR है 20 साल की वो 2.45 से I think you can correct it to 2.41% or 2.4%. So fluctuation is not a big issue. If you are really ready to explain to the customer, fluctuation is not a big issue. And now the BRICS is acting in unofficially de-dollarization. Yuan is going stronger. Ruble with all this blanket on the Russia by US, the ruble is getting stronger because it is dealing itself to US. And what about Europe? I was in Europe last month. When I started discussion, it was 94. When I bought the euro, it was 99 rupees. If you see, in 2006, when euro was launched, the conversion was USD versus euro was 1.6, which came down to 1.1 or 1.2. It is again going stronger because the entire EU lobby is gaming against US. So I have my own doubts. Will this 2.45 will also remain stable? For my best understanding, it will come down to 2% in the next 5 years.
great.
The other point, GCC continued telling it is tax-free, tax-free. But you remember, if you talk to GCC customers, majority will say we are investing in the equities of US. Fine, that will be tax-free. But once they shift to India, all foreign equities will be taxed in India at a rate of 30% plus surcharge. It comes to 34%. In our case, you being there or you being in India is 0-0. And the other point which I was adding was this repo rate. US was already reduced repo rate by 1%, 0.25, 0.25, 0.24 times. We have reduced to 0.25, 0.25, 0.5. And still there is scope of 1.5% to come back to the pre-COVID of 4% repo rate. Definitely, but in the US the scenario is different. US has decided to print $10 trillion of $10 trillion currency, and this will lead to a recession in US in the next 3 to 4 months. I have an article I'll share with you. Yesterday only I was reading it. The recession is there. That means the US is in a big stumble. With all these tariffs coming up, how do they expect that they can run the economy? Overnight, they cannot build up the manufacturing capacity in the US. How do you expect? So, see, now US is no more a global power down the line 5 years. This is all. I had few points in my mind I wanted to submit.
Thank you so much, Puneet ji. I think that was a great insight. You know, the point which Puneet ji mentioned, currency fluctuation, he mentioned that there is no major impact if you calculate, and he has given some examples of articles, you know, due to unrest in US and this tariff war and everything is going on, you know, so many of them will feel to put their money in India. Repo rate is going down. In India also we have seen 50 basis point cut.
It has come down to 5.5, but still the scope is there for 1.5%. Pre-COVID it was 4%.
Right. So, you know, in all, still India, NRI remittance are growing. The GDP prediction IMF has again given, which is 6.3% last week I read, which is again highest amongst the large economies. So, the trust of NRIs will be there on NRIs. It's us. I think the Reshma has asked the question. You know, it's us we are not approaching. We are not approaching. We have to do prospecting. Prospecting is the key. You have to approach, make the list, ask the references. You know, again, we have sent, we have created a messages, emails, one-pagers, ready to send scripts. Everything is available. Please do contact your NRI BDMs, your LPCs, ZLPCs, me, if you don't have these materials to send, you know, but do the prospecting. Other channels, as Reshma is mentioning, are growing. It's our agency. We again come back on growth on NRI. I'm sure, you know, with this kind of interventions and, you know, the success storing FHIs, I must say you must have got the confidence. So looking forward, all of you, you will do well in the month of June. This is a closing quarter, first quarter closing, and in upcoming months, you know, NRI season will come, festival season will start. So looking forward, all of you. We will continue this series every Saturday. So
Padmaja Kulkarni has raised her hand. Padmaja, anybody who wants to ask question, please write in the chat. Darshan can unmute you.
Yeah,
Darshan,
madam,
अपना
thank
contact
you.
number लिखो भाई.
Yeah, madam,
Darshan,
thank
बताइए,
you.
how can we help you?
Yeah, yesterday I closed one NRI call, this one, no, and she paid through American bank account. And in MPRO, what should be mentioned as a IFSC code and something MIC code in depth?
You are from which
I am
zone?
Maleshwaram, Bangalore.
Bangalore. So you please contact either Manisha or Priyanka Firujain or K Balaji. Do you know any one of them?
Yeah, 100%. With their help only I am
They
doing.
are the people.
Yes,
They are
I
my
must do
team.
that.
Yeah, they are my team members, Padmaja ma'am.
Yeah.
Who are supposed to help you. And if it gets stuck
Oh.
anywhere,
Oh,
the entire country knows number of Darshan Shirsagar. If it doesn't get solved through Priyanka, K Balaji,
no, it's
and
okay. No
Manisha.
problem.
Yeah.
They are helping. They are helping much. Thank you. I did so many NRI business, 5-6
Wow.
countries.
Wonderful.
And one more thing, it's very trustworthy. I even don't see their face at those. They don't see my face. There is no Zoom call. There is no WhatsApp call. Only referrals. So we are talking through only that voicemail only in WhatsApp. So it's very good to. I'm proud of it. And because of the help and I am convincing them the way of convincing them and sending that way of that illustration and explanation. And they are giving reference to me. It's very good.
Padmaja, thank you so much for sharing that. You are able to do NRI business so nicely through through these digital platforms and by even talking to them on the voicemail. So wonderful. So Padmaja ma'am, Puneet Bapna ji and all my friends on the call, I would request you. We rocked in NRI business last year and the entire country is doing fantastic. All the channels are doing very well. Agency is struggling in NRI business this year for last 3 months. And that's why I'm asking all of you, please open NRI business because you are missing out. If you heard Padmaja, you heard last time Rajesh Padmanabhan, you heard Ajit Gokhale today, all of them are getting NRI business because they're opening calls. The conclusion I and Darshan could make is, the people are not opening NRI calls and that's why they are not able to get conversion. So my request is, Puneet, please, thank you. So my request is, to all of you, please open calls. You will also get good conversions. The problem is we are not opening enough calls. Please write in the chat how many of you in next 1 week's time will open 5 NRI calls. You open 5 NRI calls like Ajit Gokhale, you will convert at least 1 or 2 calls. I am assuring you, so आपका cruise qualify हो सकता है, आपका MDRT हो सकता है, जो monthly contest है वो हो सकते हैं. दर्शन का कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर पूरी एजेंसी में सबके पास है. डोंट वरी, आस्क योर एडीएम दर्शन के क्षीरसागर, आस्क पल्लवी सुनावने, आस्क योर मीडियम्स, आस्क योर एलपीसीज, सबके पास दर्शन का नंबर है. पब्लिक है वो, बस खाली इंडिया के वो येलो पेजेस में छापना बाकी है. His number is there with everyone and we are more than happy to talk to all of you. Don't worry about it. दर्शन का नंबर एडीएम से ऑफिसर से लीजिए, फटाफट मिल जाएगा आपको. दर्शन यहाँ चैट पे भी लिख दीजिए आप. So please write a commitment. मेरे को नहीं कर रहे हो आप commitment. You are doing a commitment to yourself. You are committing to your own soul that I will do 5 NRI calls, 2 NRI calls, 10 NRI calls, so that you will get the business. So please do at least 5 NRI calls so that you are getting at least 1 conversion. So I hope a lot of you are committing to yourself. So Nilima Rai is saying 3, Bhanumati ma'am is saying I'll do, Rajiv Vashne is saying we'll do, Meena is saying 2 calls, Bhanupati Suresh 10 calls this weekend. So happy, Bhanu, so happy. I know you'll rock it big time. The problem is we are not opening calls. You open calls, you'll do it so well. Okay, great. Vinod Kumarji, thank you. You are going to do 4 calls. I wish you all the best. You're going to really rock it. Shivani Choksi. Shivani, how many calls are you going to do?
Ma'am, I'm already talking to 5 to 6 people, so my calls are open. And I just started doing this after attending such sessions which you are giving online. So I'm new to this business. So I'm, trying to practice a lot. So I want somebody like Darshanji, if I can contact you. I don't have your number.
Darshan number de do bhai.
And I want to
I just shared in the chat box. You can see. Just shared in the chat box. Again, I'm typing. बहुत सारे messages आ रहे हैं.
Okay. can we sell something to South Africa, Johannesburg?
Yes, South Africa protection plan I think we cannot sell, but non-term plan we can obviously.
यूलिप और नॉन टर्म बेच सकते हो मैम आप. यूलिप बेचो, स्वैग वाला ऑप्शंस बेचो, तो जो गारंटीड है, नॉन गारंटीड प्लान है वो बेचो. प्रोटेक्शन टर्म प्लान, प्योर टर्म प्लान नहीं दे पाओगे आप.
Okay, fine. I have tried to contact जो भी आपने countries बताए उसमें से काफी लोगों के साथ मेरी बात हो रही है, but something जो objections उनके आ रहे हैं ना, वो objections ठीक से शायद मैं उनको tackle नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, so that's what I want to learn, but I can definitely crack this if I learn properly. So I have that confidence. मुझे apply ही करना है.
In which zone, dear? Which office in which zone?
I'm from Surat 3.
Surat 3. So we have somebody called Atul Pandya, and we have Kamlesh Mistry, Shivani. Kamlesh Mistry and Atul Pandya. Are you a SLA agent? SLA ALA हो क्या?
I'm LA, and I'm talking to Kamlesh ji.
कमलेश है, अतुल पांड्या है, और आप अपने ऑफिसर को बोलिए मुझे अतुल पांड्या से इंट्रोड्यूस कराइए, और अतुल पांड्या को बोलो मेरे साथ आधे घंटे बैठो अतुल, और मुझे समझाओ ये मेरे कस्टमर्स इस कंट्री से हैं और आप मेरी हेल्प करिए. देयर इज समबडी एल्स ऑल्सो सेड साक्षी जैन. साक्षी को अनम्यूट करो. Do not worry, Sakshi. You know, Shivani, we are here to help you. My team is there. We are about 32 of us in the team. We all will help you to open call. साक्षी जैन, आपको अनम्यूट किया है हमने.
Yes, ma'am.
साक्षी, आप कौन से
Ma'am,
ऑफिस में
actually, I
हैं?
have ma'am Delhi 13 Vibrant Vishal.
Okay, we have a very fantastic person called Kasturi Pandey.
Kasturi, ma'am.
Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
तो
She's
आप
there.
उनसे उनको बोलिए मुझे रेशमा ने बोला है वेबिनार पे कि आप मुझे आधा घंटा देंगी, और मुझे
Okay.
मेरी किस कंट्री से मेरे कस्टमर्स, मेरे प्रोस्पेक्ट्स है, इनको क्या बोलूं मैं उनको? उनके लिए मुझे व्हाट्सएप दीजिए, मुझे मेल
Okay, ma'am.
दीजिए. हमारे पास सब कुछ रेडी है साक्षी, और आप उन कस्टमर्स के साथ मात्र अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करिए. तो कस्तूरी पांडे will come on the sales call. She will do all the talk. Don't worry, Sakshi.
Ma'am, that is the only deal. Booking appointment is the only deal.
आप
How to
अपॉइंटमेंट
do that?
लीजिए, आप अपॉइंटमेंट लीजिए, किसी की भी अपॉइंटमेंट यहाँ खाली नहीं जाने देंगे. We will ensure either your LPC or NRI BDM or your zone LPC head comes and does your calls. आप सिर्फ calls open करने का सिर्फ आप
Ma'am,
responsibility
on
लीजिए.
what basis we should open the call? What should we tell
तो
them?
sit with कस्तूरी, because अभी आधा घंटा
Okay.
लगेगा आपको बताने के लिए. कस्तूरी पांडे का नंबर लीजिए ऑफिसर से, वो आपको समझाएंगे बोलना क्या है.
Hello.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Vicky Yadu ji.
I just wanted to know, do we have a list of paneled hospitals, especially for UAE and Saudis?
Darshan, can you answer this? Do we have list of
Yeah, we can
hospitals?
get. We don't have a list published because वो change होता रहता है. But if you want current date का list, आप कौन से ऑफिस से हो, विकी जी?
I am from Raipur location.
रायपुर लोकेशन.
रायपुर
नो प्रॉब्लम. विपुल धार,
विपुल होगा.
विपुल धार जो है ना, उसको या आपके ऑफिस हेड को बोलो एक मेल मुझे डाले, है ना. आई विल गेट द लिस्ट फ्रॉम दी अवर मेडिकल नेटवर्क टीम, जो कि आपकी जो कंट्री का चाहिए आप उसका मुझे नाम दे दो, वो लिस्ट मिल जाएगा. क्योंकि इतनी सारी कंट्री है ना, ऐसा लिस्ट नहीं मिल सकता. बट आप मेल डालोगे तो हम डेफिनेटली मैं निकाल के दे दूंगा आपको.
What is the purpose? Why do you want to get the list? You tell us, na, we will help you. Vicky, you tell us why do you need the list? We will help you. Your customer is in some particular area.
Yeah,
You want to get
especially
this medical
Saudi,
done.
especially in Saudi and Dubai countries, because I've been, chasing my customers for investment, but due to some medical, some companies, another companies are asking, to pay the cost
देखिए
initially.
ऐसे नहीं
and
होगा. वो क्या होता है विकी, आपको फायदा नहीं होगा. हमने आपको लिस्ट दे दिया, अगले महीने फिर वो लिस्ट में नाम बदल गया, तो then you ask us you gave us wrong list. Don't do that. You please fix a meeting. Tell them you don't worry. We will get your medical
Yeah.
done. पहले आप call closing भी तो लेके आओ विकी.
बाय द वे मेडिकल फ्री
You
हो
bring the
जाएगा.
call to closing level. We will help you. Don't worry. We will be in with you till your call gets closed and till it is logged in. Don't worry, Vicky.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
you open call. Along with Vipul Dhar. Vipul का नंबर डालना चैट में दर्शन. Vicky, you contact Vipul Dhar. He is my zone LPC head there. You tell Reshma told to contact you. You are going to do my NRI calls. तो NRI calls वो करेंगे आपके साथ. और उसके बाद we will log in the case. जब आपको मेडिकल उस समय चाहिए होगा ना, we will find out which is the nearest center for that customer and we'll give it to you. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
ठीक है. अच्छा, किसी और ने हरिद्वार का पूछा था. अभी हरिद्वार में वी हैव ऋषि गोस्वामी. अगली बार दर्शन भाई एक स्लाइड बना के लाओ ना यार आप, कि हमारा कौन सा एलपीसी कहाँ है करके एक स्लाइड बना के लाओ दर्शन. And we should show that this is my team, this is our team. We are standing with you. Your job is to just open calls. We will do those calls
I
with you.
think I have made that slide. अभी ढूंढना पड़ेगा कहीं है, but I have
कोई
made
बात
that slide. Yeah.
कोई बात नहीं, अगली बार दिखा देंगे दर्शन. हाँ,
Yeah.
चलो. Thank you everyone. I think we've taken 1.5 hours on the call today. Thanks Darshan. Thank you all the LPCs, ZLPCs. Thank you all our advisors.
Recording
Because of
stopped.
whom our careers are continuing. It is because of the advisors that the agency does well. Thank you for your contribution, but यार NRI भी थोड़ा contribution करो, क्योंकि NRI में हम अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हैं अप्रैल मई जून से. We want you to contribute. We want you to do well, because the other channels are growing by 50, 60, 70%. So thank you once again, and have a super progressive month of June. Thank you.
Thank you, Ajit ji.
Thank you, Ajit ji. Yeah. Thank you, and
Meghna ji is not
Meghna,
there.
yeah.
Is there.
Thank you.
He was there. Thank you. Thank you, Reshma. Thank you, everyone.